Hi, I'm Ravinder Singh, and I'm very excited to present to you Padmini Sankar's new novel, The Mother of All Parties, which I have published at my publishing venture Black Ink in partnership with HarperCollins India. Folks, it has been a long wait. This book was due sometime in March, but due to the lockdown, we had to delay it. And I'm so excited that finally we are bringing it out today itself. The book is set in Dubai. It is set among the rich NRI community, which takes pride in throwing the greatest party in the town. Now, the protagonist of this story is a woman called Pam, who's throwing the party of Dubai on her 20th wedding anniversary. Now, the reason she's throwing this party is not because she is immensely in love with her husband and everything is going perfect in their married life. In fact, it is not the case. The reason she's throwing this party is because she wants to cut down on her competition. There's a person called Honey Sareen who's cutting barbs, and snide comments have gone a little too far for her. And this time, Pam is not going to take it lying down. While she is about to throw this party, a lot of things go wrong. A, her husband has been indifferent to her, he patronizes her. At the same time, she has a shockingly rude daughter who won't let Pam into her life. The most interesting part of this story is that days before this wedding anniversary party has to go live, Pam's ex-flame has returned to town and has set her heart racing again. And then there is a carpenter, a construction worker in this story, whom Pam is forced to shelter. Now, what is his role in this story? You will find out. But all of these characters are going to make this a very interesting read for you. You will get to see the difference between the real life and the show off life of the rich NRI community. And this time, this community is set in Dubai. Welcome to one hell of a party. I can't wait for you to read the book and let me know your views on it. Take care.